Hey guys, Aniket here. In this video we will learn how to solve any programming problem within 30 minutes. People spend more than 3 hours solving basic programming problems. Now it's not that they are beginners, the approach is wrong. If you have the right approach, you can solve any programming problem within 30 minutes. Of course, the approach which I am going to tell you in this video will help you and it is self-tested, so I assure you it will help you. So let's begin. Now, whenever you are having a programming problem in your hand, let's say this is the problem. The first step must not be to begin coding and trying to solve it. No, that is the mistake. Break it down into small problems. Now, I'm not saying that cut it off into no. See, try to understand this. There are two enemies that you are fighting with whenever you are solving an issue. Now, who are those two enemies? The logic and the syntax. You are going to fight with them one by one. Imagine that you are a wrestler fighting with two people together. That's hard, right? But one by one, it's still easier. The first enemy is logic. Okay, so simple enough. The weapon you have here is a pen and a paper. On a pen and paper, not on notepad, not on like making comments trying to understand it. No, on a pen and a paper, because as such from childhood you have been like given this practice that solve the things on pen and paper. It's easier to think like that. Okay, so step one is solving the logic, creating a proper outline that how will you solve the problem. Once you have the outline, you will solve the second enemy, or you will face the second enemy, which is a very easier one once you have done the step one. What's the step two? That is to write the syntax on the editor. Okay, once you will write proper code here, you will be able to solve the issue. There is nothing difficult here. But if you do it together, see, imagine this. You are also writing the code and you are also understanding how it will work. That's seriously difficult. Even in like exams, you will be having less time. I absolutely agree. But it won't take you more than 5 minutes to create the logic. In general, why I said 30 minutes? Because of course, difficult problems and whatnot, right? But as such, it is a really good approach. Try it and it will help you. Okay? Now, in case you liked the video, you might give a thumbs up and you may even subscribe. I create content like this which will help you.